In this tutorial, we will be showing you the easiest and quickest way to connect your Android phone to your Windows 10 computer in 2023. With this feature, you'll be able to access and use your messages, notifications, and photos on your computer, making it perfect for multitasking. We'll also go over the requirements and steps to get started, so you can start using this convenient feature in no time. Are you ready to take your productivity to the next level? Let's get started. The first step is to download the link to Windows app from the Play Store on your Android phone. Once it's installed, click on the Link Your Phone and PC button. Next, a barcode will appear on your computer screen. Use your phone's camera to scan the barcode and establish the connection between your devices. If the barcode does not appear on your computer, you can also go to the website www.aka.ms/phonelinkgrc to link your devices. And that's it. You should now be able to access and use your phone's apps, notifications, messages, and files on your Windows 10 computer. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to connect your Android phone to your Windows 10 computer. Thank you for watching.